Improve the forehand side, as he does take it quite late from time to time. Guess Dima's just going to have to saw anything, a flashlight. Still Dima. Different level of power now in Dima. Nice arc by Jorgic. Brilliant play, Dima as well. Oh, Pitchford. Oh, great control from Darko. He opened the racket face there. Nice control from the Slovenian. Oh, Dima. Nice finish from Dima. Serving for survival in game one, Darko Jorgic. And he puts an end to things there. A strong finish from Dima after a little bit. Lovely receive from Jorgic, the strawberry push. Backspin, and the after motion is quite distracting. Gorgeous length on the short topspin serve from Jorgic with the forehand to flick that serve. It's kicking a lot. Great touch on for his power, Dima, but we'll train that department, of course. Jorgic wins the point, but great finish. In Tokyo. Lovely backhand down the line there from Darko. Well, that was a poor receive. He tried it. Players don't serve with much spin. Good receive from Dima. Nice in both receives. Yep. Net microphones to be able to hear what players might say to themselves or each other. Should he go 2-0 up? He can't. A brave flick from Jorgic. Clever play and a big come up. Expect him going long and fast down the line into the backhand. Oh, it just catches an edge at the back, but it's quite a thick edge. Too hot to handle. Yeah, it is to come up the back of it. I don't think he knew how much backspin was early on there. Umpire decides it went down, so it was side. The ball really nicely. Dima's backhand there reminded me of the grand finals against Fan Zhendong, where he came into the table on the run to play it. Too good. Takes less time to recover from a backhand than it does forehand. Whoa! Raw power from Jorgic. Good. There. Good shot selection from Dima. Proud to witness that. Here he goes. Backhand serve from the forehand. Will it be topspin? It is. And it kicks it off for him. Oh, that's a lovely... That is just a rocket backhand. Yep. There it is. First time this match. Beautiful touch. Naturally just drifts back a little bit from the table. It's a peak. Whoa, I was about to... Well, even when he's not playing, when he's holding the ball, when he's bouncing it. Quite a lot, and why his stat... Quite different to his backhand. Not the forehand. Oh, it was there, wasn't it? Excellent spin from Dima. January of 2018, Dima. Oh, championship medals, Ovtcharov. The German showdown. No. Oh, well, it was held by the... Yep. Yep. Wrong foot Ovtcharov against the momentum. Tight, give it right back to her. Darko. This will give him a better chance to recover. And he can still generate a lot of power with those strokes. German. Nice. This man is on screen. Wow. The Darko Sparko. Eat that, he says. Close to the back edge to go for it. Smoothness to his game as well. Look, these are the rallies we love. Oh. That might be top 3 rallies of the tournament. That is spellbinding table tennis. Backhands, forehands, a block from Jorgic, a chop from Dima. And do you ever see Dima chop usually? Had it all, that rally. But Jorgic comes out on top and is now within 1 in this 6th game. This crowd captivated, just like the stunning Swiss scenery we are surrounded by here in Montreux. Dima keeps the cushion. That's a good flick. Going to be 100% prepared for the consequence, but... Oh, hard cracking. A tasty set piece. Turn the ball back into the table. Oh, in team events previously before this encounter. Oh. Can he beat Dima? No, he is denied that hit. Oh, this time he does it. What a way to win it. Arms to the sky. Darko is nearly there. Could he do it? Could he go back-to-back? Cracking match.